Let us show you how to correctly replace the blades of your iMOW robotic mower. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. Before you start, activate the device lock. To do so, press the stop button once. Then press and hold the stop button until the light strip fully lights up red. Now press stop one last time. If the light strip flashes up a second time, the device lock is activated and you can go on with the maintenance. Hold the robotic mower at the front and rear grip handles, then turn it on its back. Press and hold the levers on the blade. Now turn the nut counterclockwise with the other hand until it can be removed. Remove the blade disc and put it to the side. The symbol on the blade carrier indicates the direction for unlocking. Slide the blade carrier upward and remove it. You can now remove the old blades. Remove the coarse dirt and clean the blade disc, blade carrier, and nut with a cleaning cloth, for example from our optional care and clean kit. The new blades can now be attached. You can only insert one blade for each pin. Place the blade carrier back on the blade disc. The arrow symbols once again indicate the direction you have to push. Once correctly locked, the blade disc can now be placed on the robotic mower again. As the final step, simply attach the nut and turn it tightly. The blades have now been correctly replaced.